Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah. I am Miss Mehwish, your Islamia teacher. As you know that your summer break has started, so it's a time to have fun and it's time to enjoy yourself. But along with that enjoyment, you have to do some summer vacation homework. So I'm going to assign you some tasks that you have to complete during your summer break. So let's move on. The very first task is you have to draw or make a model of the five pillars of Islam. The five pillars of Islam. The things you are going to require for this activity are color pencils, color papers, pencil, scissors, and a glue. So let me instruct you that how you are going to make your project. What are the things, important things that you have to keep in your mind while you are going to make your project. So the instructions are: this project requires drawing, cutting, pasting, and your creativity. Students have to draw, create, or make a project. Samples are attached. We will discuss it later. And this project carries 15 marks, okay, and these marks will be included in your first term result. You have to attach only one clear picture on Google Classroom of your project. You can make a collage, okay? And the most important thing is that a simple printout for the particular topic would not be acceptable, okay? I'm not going to give you the marks for just a simple printout. You have to put in your efforts, that you have to make whatever you are going to produce. I will that will be considered, okay? I will consider your efforts, and according to that I'm going to give you the marks, okay? Now the first sample is that you can make a booklet, okay? The booklet means you have to make a title page. The title page should be the five pillars of Islam. This is just a sample. You can make the title page as you like to make, okay? Whatever you like to do with your title page, you can, according to the topic. Then you have to put five pages inside. Take the color papers, that would look more beautiful. If you are going to use the simple plain white paper, that would be fine. It's your choice, okay? Then on each paper you are going to you are going to take the print of the five pillars of Islam. For every pillar you are going to cut it, you are going to paste it on the paper, and you are going to write down the name of that pillar of Islam on it, okay? So five pillars and the five pictures, and you are going to write down the name of that particular pillar. You can also take the print of that you can also take the print of the name of that pillar, and you can also cut it and paste it beautifully, okay? Now this is the second sample. You can also make the balloons. You can, okay, take the color papers. You can cut out the balloons of different colors. You can also cut out the stars. You can make any shape, whatever you like, okay? Cut it in a shape, and just take the print of the pictures, take the print of the names, cut it and paste on it. If you want to draw this man or anything else, you can also, okay? If you are going to make the flowers, and you can put it in a vase also, okay? So it's up to you, it's your creativity, what you want to make it like, okay? So you can also make the balloons, you can also make the flowers, you can also make the stars. It's up to you. Now the third sample is about, you are going to take the color papers. First cut a triangle shape, then cut the rectangles, five rectangles, one triangle, and similarly you are going to take the print and just cut it out and paste on it, okay? You can also write the name with you can also write the name you can also paste the name of every pillar of Islam, and along with the pasting the name, you are also going to paste the picture of that particular pillar of Islam. The last thing is that you can utilize the ice cream sticks. Okay, take the ice cream sticks, paint it, and then cut out the five pillars of Islam, cut out these different pictures, and just paste it on the ice cream stick. Okay, and take a picture and attach it on the Google Classroom. So that was about the first task. Now let's move to the second task, that is reading practice and underline the difficult words. I'm going to give you this some of the lessons. That is unit number 5, the five pillars of Islam. Okay, you are going to repeat it. When you are going to read it, you will learn more about it. Then unit number 6, the masjid. Unit number 7, salah. And unit number 12, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, part 1. You are going to read it, these lessons, and you are going to underline the difficult words. Okay, so that's it. Enjoy your summer vacation, do the task carefully and nicely. Have a safe summer vacation. Take care. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.